Here are the first round toys for Rich Chris.
Oh, wow! So cool! I wonder what it can do. Huh? Awesome! More!
Catch me! Oh, can't catch me! Can't catch me! Now comes the best trick. Chris, charge the rocket! Yep, the bird's in the nest. Here we go!
Sam, our viewers can't see anything like that. Could you move? Ugh. Oh, I know how to win this round. Wrap the paper roll into corrugated cardboard. Oh! We'll take a half-inflated balloon and put it inside.
Nancy! Hey, Nancy! Look here!
Uh-huh. Like this. Oh, what a cutie! Oh.
If you like that word, give us a thumbs up! Huh? Why are you laughing? Did I go ears? I really did?
My bunny will have them. I will call him All Ears. Are you happy, All Ears?
But Skill and Drive, this bunny will get more popular than you!
You're right. They can fight against the gold card. Come here. Oh, these cute little caterpillars are so cool. My new pets. They move so funny on the table. And they can also dance. Oh, I love it. Whatever. I also have something fun. Maybe. Ew! What on earth is this?
Be brave, Nancy. You're not a kid.
I guess I found what I need finally. We put the brush into the napkin and roll. Now we squeeze the napkin like that.
So, partner, let's color this craft. And give me that. We're short on brushes, you know.
Our caterpillar goes on her first trip to a green leaf. Look, she knows her dance moves.
Oh, a new species, Papyrus pilaris. $5 for a photo.
Awesome. Whatever, I'll get an amazing toy now. Where's my delivery? It's been an hour. What is it? What? Oh, it's finally here. It's the unicorn with a squish. It's so soft and cool. And now comes the surprise. We cut the squish and find a giant slime. And there's a gift inside.
This trick is called Give Us a Thumbs Up.
Chris got a really cool toy, but my craft will be just as good. This is shaving foam. And here comes glue. Lots of it.
Wow, you can make my clone like that. We just need more color. Real big and blue.
The best slime food is liquid soap. This much.
Hey, don't speak for all slimes. I like cookies more.
But this giant really liked the meal. Look how stretchy it is. Wow.
Huh? Is it my rival now? Oh, come here, you slick one. Hey, what's going on? Not in my hand!
Oh, this slime is hungry. Grr, give me more toys. Oh, look how many things are inside now. The horse and the money. Whee! Uh-oh. What is it? An earthquake? What's happening?
We have a party here. Woohoo!
Look how they're dancing.
Holy macaroons, what a party! I'll shake my jelly too!
Hey, Chris, I don't think we need this challenge. So, truce?
Oh, thank you.
What was that? Did you decide to prank me? Whoops, it was an accident. Maybe you'll better like my new craft. We'll fix the ball inside with an elastic band. Turn the balloon inside out and inflate it. Here's our roly-poly.
Did you order a happy face? It's kind of hard to hold two faces, you know.
A little more. Yep, the toy's face is ready. The first one is a cute sheep. Bah! Join your friends. They're already dancing. Oh, I guess it's a new trend. Make a craft and shoot a video. What is that?
It's just me, bragging with a new toy. Hop, hop. Shiver me cheddars, what can be better than this?
This? Who likes to pop the balls? Give a thumbs up! Wow!
Hey, the cookies are much better!
Oh, Chris has the best toys again and I've got only trash! I'm fed up! I've got an idea! It's a crime to throw away these duckies. Quick, hide inside! And glitter will make it even better.
We also need a toothpaste for, well, you'll see. Whee! Duckies, hold your beaks!
Whoa! It's a glitter party! So sparkly! I need one more thing though. Oh, this is perfect! I guess it's stuck there after my rage outburst. Stay tuned! More awesomeness coming next.
That's our trash! Sam from Team Gryffindor got the snitch! We won!
Yeah, sure. Oh! Did I really catch it? And is it a fidget spinner? I love spinners! Look at these wings! There's another one! And one more!
Hop, 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 hop. Oh! Whoops, it was an accident.
Aw, it's ruined now. To the trash can. Whoa! Are you sure? You can make a cool craft. Make the clay mold and remove the pieces, except for the central one. Then add epoxy resin.
Don't forget about the glitter! Yay!
When it sets, our spinner is ready. We can play. Whoosh! Oh, spinners are out of date. Now pop tubes are trending.
I'm the unicorn pop tube king! Behold!
Wanna scare me? You wish. We'll make a colorful paper accordion. Make a few folds. Almost done. It jumps so funny. I love it. This is better than a pop tube.
I got the paws for you.
Aw, thanks. This is so fun.
And we're done for today. Wait, I wanted to say play. Let's play!
Forget about the challenge. It's so much fun. Hey, are we friends again? Playing together will be awesome.
Hey, and who's gonna play with me? Oh, and eat their ice cream. They won't notice. Right. I'll leave some for the girls, though. See ya!
Bye-bye.
Hi, guys! Can you guess now what exactly scared Sammy so much?
Of course they can't, Sue. No one who's under 18 is supposed to watch that.
I know, it's just Squid Game became a trend really fast, and I thought everybody at least heard about it. Anyway, let's get to business. Today we'll need a needle, colorful threads, fluffy stuffing, and a pair of really soft socks. But don't forget to ask your parents which ones you can use.
Wait a second. I know where this is going. Are you planning to make a plushie?
That's right, Smarty Pants. Could you maybe guess which one?
Oh, magic crystal. Give me a sign. I see. Nothing, Sue.
And how about now? Hup!
Shiver me cheddars. We're going to make a card.
All right, let's get started. First thing, we'll turn one sock inside out. And then press it flat, this way. Now we need to outline our character by drawing his legs, body, and arm shape. You can use a marker or a pen to do this.
And what about his head in a terrifying mask, Sue?
We'll make it from a second sock, but a little bit later. And in order to learn how to do that, everybody should watch this video till the end. And this is what we've got, guys. Now we'll take a needle and thread and stitch this sock up according to these lines. Be very careful at this stage and watch your fingers.
Ah, I see that you chose backstitch for this step. Very smart.
Very good, Sammy. I'm making one stitch forward and then a half stitch backward. But how do you know about this technique?
Oh, please, Susan. I've told you a million times that I worked in a fashion studio back in Tibidaba.
But I thought you were cooking food for them. And didn't they fire you for eating their candy stash?
Shush! Sue, is it necessary to tell the guys about my mishaps?
Oh, Sammy. I guess you never know which one of your stories is true. Guys, check this out. We backstitched every line and now we need scissors. We'll be cutting out all the pieces, leaving a border of about 1 centimeter.
You should always be careful with sharp objects, people!
Great! These are going to be the arms of our guard. Sammy, could you turn them out back to front? And this is our character's body. Doesn't it already look cute?
Sue, aren't you going to do something about the heel part? It looks strange.
Oh, this will be the lower back. This way, the plushie will be able to sit.
The lower back? Ah!
Okay, guys, I've cut out a little hole over here where the guard's arms will be. And now I can do this. It's very important to not rush and do this carefully. We don't want to tear down our plushie, right?
Oh! Do I look like Santa?
More like an old and grumpy slime.
Hey!
And here comes the fun part. We're going to stuff this piece. You can use either polyester stuffing or cotton wool to do this. It's better to work with small portions in order to make our plushie equally stuffed. There! Keep going! Here we go! All right, this is how our craft should look at this stage, guys. Now we need to stuff the arms as well.
I did it already, Susie! Can I sew them to the body?
Be my guest.
Yay! Let's do it! Like this! I mean, it's done.
Sammy, you did great. Oh, you even added a couple stitches to make it look anatomically correct. All we've left to do is make the head for our guard. This time we'll use a black sock. Great! Let's stuff it up. It's important to not make it too big, so this amount will do just perfectly.
You know, Susie, you were right. Making this craft really calmed me down. I'm no longer scared of that Squid Game.
Good to hear that.
Come on.
Now we'll close this little ball with a few stitches. And we'll put it inside the second pink sock, like this. Don't rush and take your time. All right. Hey, Sammy, do you know what those symbols in the Squid Game show mean?
Well, the guards with circles on their masks were considered workers. That's the lowest rank among them. Then there were the triangles for soldiers, and squares for those who were something like managers, so to say.
Interesting. And which one do you want our toy to be?
Give me a minute and you'll see!
All right! Guys, we're almost done here. All we've left to do is stuff the space between the head and the hood just a little bit, like this. Let's attach the whole thing to the body. We'll be using a ladder stitch, which is alternating stitches on each side. This craft is quite simple. The main thing is to be careful with the needle. And voila!
Not voila just yet, Susie! This goes here. Now you all can check him out!
Wow! Guys, isn't this plushie adorable? And this belt! Wait a second, is that my hairband?
Oopsie! I'd better go. Sue, stop it!
What? Why?
Look! I found one more sock! Let's make a crewmate from among us so that our pink guard won't be alone!
Where did you get it? I don't remember having this.
Oh, Oh, oops! I just found it.
All right. Guys, we've cut the sock in half and now we need to cut out only the upper parts. Done! Now we'll put these two pieces together and I'll need a pin to draw a silhouette. The crewmate ship is quite simple.
Let's sew a bit, huh? But I got tangled.
I'll help you.
Whoa! Ugh, thanks.
We can finally start sewing. You already know how to do it. Ideally, the color of the sewing thread should always match the color of the fabric, but I'm sure you guys knew that already. Now we'll cut off the excess. Oop! Watch your fingers, guys. And make one more cut to divide the legs. Be careful not to cut the thread.
I want to do the stuffing this time, Susie!
All right, just let me make an opening here.
I think I can handle it.
Here!
Thanks!
I bet he'd be amazed by how much stuffing actually fits into that plushie.
Suey fit like a ton of stuffing!
Oh, Sammy. Guys, I had to sacrifice one more sock to make a crewmate's mask. Let's stuff it as well. Make sure that you get an oval shape, like this.
You know, guys, after today, I really started to like sewing. Do you? Then give us a thumbs up!
Guys, don't forget to hide all the loose ends inside.
Ah, what a nice pillow.
Ahem!
Oh, oopsie. I mean, here's the backpack, Sue. Here you go.
Thanks, Sam.
Guys, now our crewmate needs some accessories. What would you choose?
I already made this cute hat for him. Now, who wants to take a closer look at our toys? Guys, do you want to have a cute little monster in your house? Let's make a baby version of Klombo from Fortnite.
Where are they? I brought them new toys!
It's too soon for playing. Our baby hasn't even hatched yet. This foil will help us create a shape of an eggshell.
Then we need more foil! Klombo babies are pretty big.
That's right. Let's keep kneading and flattening the lowest part. There you go!
Susie, check this out! Oop! Oop! I've made a fried egg!
This color suits an eggshell more. It fits here perfectly. We'll wrap the clay around the foil.
Oh, hush, baby Klombo! Soon you'll transform into a healthy clay little monster!
Step away and I'll cut off the excess clay.
Let's see… Okay, but the eggshell should turn out accurate just like mine! Or maybe a little bit better!
Did I manage to fulfill your request, Sammy?
Just a few finishing touches! We should extend the crack lines a bit further. And now it looks more authentic, see?
You can finish it.
Sure thing! Be right back!
Guys, you might be wondering why our baby Klombo is still missing. Hup! Here is bright pink clay and a wire for a body frame. We should measure the proper amount of wire. There we go.
My turn! You know I'm the best wire wrecker among slimes and humans. Here we go! Bend here, fold in half, all done!
Sammy, you never disappoint me. Since we have a torso, I'll cover it with pink clay.
Buy the mozzarella! Klombo is pink too? Guys, will I look like a daddy? I have to get ready!
You should have a vivid imagination for that. Guys, we can layer the clay on the frame as much as we need and smooth it down.
From now on, nobody would say we're not related. Never mind. Klombo, your dad is coming!
If you don't mind, I'll add one little piece here, guys. Just like this.
Wow, that's really something. Oh, I can't believe our little baby is developing right before our eyes.
Soon it will demand some real food. What do Klombos eat?
I did my research. They can be fed with clomberries. Interesting. But I doubt we can find them in a regular store. I'm off.
Then you have some time to find its snacks while I'm working. Come on, Mother Hen.
Are you sure I wouldn't like such a clomberry? It looks yummy.
Bring something better.
But Sue, what do we have here? Oh, I found a cookie. Here you go. Ouch! Shiver me cheddars! Hey, it helped!
Right you are, Sammy. We still have to figure out how to grow other limbs for it, so stay tuned.
An apple? No. Maybe a cupcake? Nope. A burger then! Ah, Susie, I give up.
Maybe our Klombo isn't hungry yet, so we can turn to our old-fashioned clay method. Besides, we still have a few limbs to make.
Oh, you're gonna blend two colors. Are you gonna use that thing over there?
Bingo! And this is what we've got.
I've measured the right length for the next limb, Susie. Here you go. Repeat those steps 5 more times. I can do it with some magic.
Thanks for the help! Let's proceed! Now I'll put the limbs in the right position. We need to make a few creases and one more bend.
Sue, I should resemble Klombo too. After all, I'll be the first thing the baby will see.
Then you certainly should look convincing.
But I'm sure the baby will love me anyway.
It will hug you with all his limbs.
Sue, I brought you more parts. Here you go. And thanks for cheering me up. Buy the mozzarella. I want to help baby Klombo stand on its feet.
Let's do it then.
Come on, little one. I'll wrap you or you'll freeze out there.
This piece of net fabric wasn't supposed to be a blanket. It'll create a slightly uneven skin texture.
Oh my feta! You grew a really thick skin.
Being a parent isn't easy, especially if you have a baby monster.
Well, would you just look at it? Holy cannoli! That baby is absolutely harmless.
You think so? Careful now, we're making his glowing sharp eyes.
Oh, that's right! Those eyes start glowing flames when Klombos are furious! I should be alert!
Ooh, our baby dino is showing its rebellious character! What if it is better at mischief than you, Sammy?
Oh, really? Then let's see how fierce it is! Try me! Come on, come on! Yeah, come on! I'm right! Here! Uh-huh! You're not scary! Ah! It was just a joke, right? It is not going to attack me, huh?
Until it will start shooting acid balls like in the game, you're safe.
Phew! Okay, okay. What? Acid balls? Sue, you're not helping at all!
Guys, now this baby Klombo can observe the world around it. That's cool, right? Let's make nostrils so it can find some clomberries to chew.
Maybe you could recognize my smell too? Here, I brought Klombo my favorite hat.
You're so cute. I'm sure we'll lick your face to show its gratitude.
Woohoo! Then what are we waiting for? Here's some red clay for ya.
Klombos have long, lizard-like tongues. It is quite easy to make one.
Let me see, Sue.
Like this?
Nah, make it shorter.
Okay.
That's better. I think it came out just right now.
Klombo, say ah! Good dino!
Woohoo! First selfie! First selfie! How should I stand? Maybe like this? Let's do it! Stop mocking me with this tongue, young thing!
Klombo is just waiting for his teeth implantation.
Oh, it finally started growing first! Ew, they're already so greasy!
What can I say? Dinosaurs and Klombos don't tend to use toothbrushes.
Guys, did you hear that? Let's see how it looks in reality!
You're gonna like the result, guys!
Actually, I taught Klombo some dino fashion rules. It wouldn't learn how to wear those. But see? Head decors without me. Cool, right?
It means that we're moving to the final part.
Let me see what you've got there, Miss Susan. Listen to me! Now we'll join our clay forces with the pink ones!
Sir, yes, sir!
Aha! Guys, do you like when Sue listens to me? Give me a ton of thumbs ups then!
When you're finished attaching pink clay, carefully remove the excess.
Now I have everything ready! Ah! The oven is preheated to 110 degrees Celsius.
I'm almost done. drop of transparent nail polish on the eyes. And a little bit of it over here.
Now comes the finishing touch!
There you go, Columbo. Sit in your fancy crib.
Guys, let's check out my first dino baby! I'm so excited! Aw!